This is the 18th Sunday in Ordinary Time, and the first reading in today's liturgy is from the book of Exodus. It talks about the time soon after the chosen people had left Egypt and had crossed the Red Sea and were now entering into the wilderness. And two things are noteworthy. First, the chosen people start to grumble to Moses. Why did you lead us out here in the desert? Why didn't you leave us back in Egypt where at least we had enough to eat? That's number one. The second thing is, though, that God, despite the grumbling of the Israelites, provides for them. He gives them quail. He gives them manna so that they can survive. These examples of providing food and water and protection for the Israelites are what is known as Hesed. The word Hesed has many different meanings. It's unclear exactly what it means. You see on the screen, it might mean steadfast love, loving kindness, covenant loyalty. In any event, Hesed has to do with loving beyond what is required of us. And that's what God did for the chosen people. He showed them Hesed. He provided for them. He loved them, even though you could say that they didn't really deserve it. So each one of us as Christians is called to show Hesed to each other. We are called to show loving kindness to our neighbor beyond what is required of us. And it's only when we do that, and it is when we do that, that the reign of God, which we talk about all the time, which was the main theme of Jesus' preaching, it's when we show Hesed, steadfast love, loving kindness to each other, and even to those who don't deserve it. That is when God most fully becomes present on earth.